In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send images to the back here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. First off, we want to click onto the image that we want to move to the back. Then we can come up to position just here in the toolbar, and we're going to get a couple of different options. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply come in here on the left-hand side and simply click in on to back. And then that's moved it all of the way to the back. Now, another way that you can play around with this is simply clicking on layers, find the layer that you want to move, simply click on the left hand side, and either you can move it to the front and or to the back. Now, I believe the top is the front, so if we move that up to the top, that's now at the front. Then if we move it all the way down to the bottom, that is now at the back. Now, another way to actually do this is, again, let's just move this forward one, is by clicking onto the image just like this, come into the three dots, and then we can do it under layer just here, and again, simply click on send to back. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to send images to the back here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.